Ekor Kapatisi TV.
President jongka United States of America Donald Trump ula krensha yaka President Bashipor jongka Venezuela baka depan pentemano yaka rukom trekam jongka daka Kynjat Shuwa yaka China ka Russia ka Iran bat ka Cuba na ka jade kam haka khai pateng bat ka Venezuela bat ladakala banle kumta ka US kan sa island no yaka Venezuela bakan Khlong Umphniang na kipar jongka Trump ukwa baga Venezuela kadai ban pele jingmud yaki kam khayu Umphniang tang bat ka USA ulaong ka Venezuela menta ka don haka kti jong bat ukwa baga Venezuela kan di Umphniang tang saka US bat ka dor kan dei haka dor yo dor had bat lada ka kongu yakini ki kendon ka Amerika kan Shah bakal sedang biang ban Khlong Umphniang ka China kadikari ka bathiet buntam ka Umphniang na ka Venezuela Henry namar ka jingkhang linti jong ka US ban penkit Umphniang ka Venezuela kalahab ban sangya no Shua namar ba kamdon jaka palangshu Utram ukwaru baka pisa ka baka US ka deban siu na ka bay Umphniang penyai hi mau bat on pentrekam na ka benta ki jingmento ki pa nongsong shnong ka Venezuela
China, Russia, and Iran have interests in Venezuela. How does this operation affect your relationships with them when it comes to the oil and the drugs?
In terms of China and Russia, Russia when we get things straightened out. But in terms of other countries that want oil, we're in the oil business. We're going to sell it to them. We're not going to say we're not going to give it to them. In other words, we'll be selling oil probably in much larger doses because they couldn't produce very much because their infrastructure was so bad. So we'll be selling large amounts of oil to other countries, many of whom are using it now, but I would say many more will come.